When you are in social media, you are looking for an opportunity to earn. Okay. So I'm your friend, Gina Roy. I'm here to tell you about an amazing app that I found, Weibo. You know what? I've been in social media for a long, long time, but I never encountered this kind of app in a social media world. So, Weibo, we are a community. We are friendly and we help each other to grow and earn. So, every day I make a challenge, okay? And on the challenge, I give super like. So, small content creator can earn through the challenges or wherever I go. I told them, if you follow me, I'm going to give you super like. So that's the way we help each other. So guys, I'm a believer and I'm a human. So I need something to, extra to pay bills, especially here in the United States, guys. It's so expensive. So when I stumbled this up and give me an opportunity to earn, now I'm helping small content creator also to grow and earn. So if you're watching me and you are looking for a social media platform that give you an opportunity to earn, grab Weibo, guys. Weibo is way, way different from other social media platform. I'm telling you. So again, my invitation link is in my bio, or I'm going to put it below so you can, click it and check it, or you can make a comment and then I'm going to walk you through. Okay? So, thank you again for watching me every day and hope you will be my, you know, um, friend in Weibo. God bless again. This is your friendly ambassador, Gina Roy. Have a wonderful day. Bye.